Hey my baby dolls, welcome back to another, I guess you can call this a vlog, but it ain't really a vlog. It's more like just a chit chat type of video. And I don't normally, like when I have a thought of something, I don't normally take out the camera and talk about it, because I don't know, I just be like, okay, I'm gonna write it down, I got this idea for the next video, and then I'm gonna talk about it tomorrow or whenever I get a chance to take the camera back out. But no, because half of the time when I do that, I forget, and I be like, damn, like I'm not even in that mode of thinking about everything I wanted to say. So I'm just gonna do it now while it's fresh. I literally just stopped editing this hair video to talk to y'all, and I know like this is just me being transparent as always by myself or my channel or whatever, but I really feel like I've talked about this because I just had uploaded my vlog, and y'all know, like, y'all see me dating, y'all see that it's a new person in the picture or whatever the case may be. And I remember doing a Q&A, and y'all asked me, y'all was like, well, would you ever show your person, your new person, your new relationship? And I was kind of like telling y'all like no, like, because I've did that before, and I still feel that way. Like, it was kind of hard for me to post. I think I'm saying it was hard for me to post a vlog. It wasn't hard. It was more of like me thinking like, is this a good idea? Like, do I want to go down the same road that I did before? Because, oh no, you know how like, I'm not saying my is fresh. It's not really technically fresh anymore, but it's not, it wasn't that long ago. You get what I'm saying? So I don't know how to explain this. I'm trying to explain this in the most understandable way, like so you guys can get my point and get what I'm trying to say. Like, y'all may hear her in the video or whatever, but I feel like I'm not in that mode of like showing myself in a relationship or being like, I just want to enjoy whatever that I am doing off camera. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not saying like if I was to get ready, go on a date or whatever the case, maybe I won't show any of that, because I want to show y'all everything. Like, I want to show y'all me being happy. But like, I think that the space that I'm in right now, I'm not in a space of like showing who I'm with. I think I'm more into like in myself right now. I'm in an era of like me, myself, and I. It's just like, I'm not here for like that type of content. I'm kind of just, because there's so much I'm working on within myself. There's so much that I'm trying to do with lyric and build into lyric and build within lyric. It's just like, I don't want that to be the main focus, because I've done that, and it's kind of like I'm not here for it, you know what I mean? I don't know. I know that you guys enjoy my content. I know you guys are gonna enjoy whatever it is that I post, and you guys, you know, love to see me happy and love to see me in that element with someone. Like, that's just how social media is. Social media love to see relationships. People love to see love, you know what I mean? And that's nothing wrong with that. But I'm just at a place where I'm just really trying to get me together. I feel like my last situation like gave me like a whole, I don't know, like my eyes, like my mind and everything, just my mindset grew. Everything just expanded, because life is crazy and you just never know like where you will be and how you will end up, or how things will go or flow for you, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I just want to keep things safe as possible. And when it comes down to the internet, like me being a public figure and a content creator, sometimes it's hard to hide certain things, and it's like people be like, oh, you know, don't share this, don't share that. But when you are especially a vlogger, sometimes it's hard, child. Sometimes it's hard to like hide things or like not show something, you know what I'm saying? So not saying y'all won't see things, but it will definitely just be bits and pieces. I feel like y'all definitely seen a little bit more on the last vlog I just uploaded yesterday. I mean today. Tomorrow will be considered yesterday when y'all see this. But the video I just posted today, I definitely feel like y'all seen a lot more. But yeah, I don't know, like, I kind of just go with my gut feeling. Every time I go with my gut feeling, I just be right. It don't feel good. It doesn't settle with me post my relationship or who I'm dating. It doesn't do anything for me. Like, yeah, I'm happy and I'm content with who I'm dating or whatever the case may be, but I think I want to play it safe when it comes down to my personal life. I just want to be able to do more content. I don't want to consume myself into just every post it is, I'm out with my person, I'm doing this with my person. Like, I want to be more content with myself and my own gifts on this channel. Like, I don't want it to be about a relationship. I don't want it all to be like about my relationship or who I'm with and what I'm doing with my person. Like, there's so much more. That's why I said it's so much I'm working on within myself, and it's so much more content that I know I can do. And I'm getting myself back into the groove of lyric. Like, I'm getting myself back into it. A part of me feel like y'all don't think I upload as much as I used to, and that bothers me. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, damn, do y'all feel like I'm falling off? Have y'all, like, cause I stay looking at my algorithm, I stay looking at my analytics. Damn, like, let me get more on my shit. I feel like I'm falling off. Like, low key, that's how I be feeling. Like, damn, like, I gotta get more on my shit. Like, baby, no. Like, I don't need y'all thinking I don't want to do this YouTube shit no more, because I haven't even posted on Dollface Diaries, and probably I don't even want to go look. I think it's been like 4 or 5 months. Yeah, so like starting November, because we are already in November, damn near. Like, today is October. Look at the time, 10:10. That's crazy, because 10:10, angel number 10:10. I believe the meaning behind that is personal development, personal growth, and I'm talking about growth, like getting into lyric, like learning lyric and doing things for me, and like I don't know, I just feel like I'm just in that season, in that era, and this is no disrespect to the person I'm dating. This is no disrespect to her at all. You know what I'm saying? I just think that I just have this strong gut feeling that it's just not the season for that. Like right now. Like, the season for me right now is getting my shit together. Doing whatever the fuck I want to do. No disrespect, not saying like I'm not talking about talking to anybody. Yeah, I'm dating this person, that person. I'm talking about doing whatever I want to do for lyric. Doing whatever I want to do for me whenever I feel like it. Whatever content I need to create, I need to be on it every day. Like, there needs to be a tight schedule, a strict schedule when it comes down to my business, the time I start in the morning and into the time I'm done. Like, you know, so I'm just on my ass right now. That's all I'm saying. I just don't want my content to look the same as it did before. I think that I'm just at a place where I just want change. You know when it's time for change. Like, you have a gut feeling. I have a very strong gut feeling when things needs to be. And every time I'll be right to have that for me right now. And I just wanted to share that. I feel like I'm taking out the camera and having these like talks a little bit more often. But I definitely need to post on my Dollface Diaries. I feel like Dollface Diaries was mainly created to show my spiritual growth and to show me in a whole different space. It's like my diary. It's showing like my spiritual growth, how far I've come and how far I'm going, how you can grow out of dark spaces, out of dark times. It was all about healing, elevating, and growing. That's what that channel is. And I just need to get back into that. I need to get back into me, because this is just me being like honest. Sometimes we fall into these relationships, and sometimes we get into these relationships where we kind of like, we put so much into the relationship, because relationships is like a job and like something you have to nurture and take care of alone. But like, you can't not forget to take care and nurture yourself. And I think that a lot of people, a lot of women, anybody can relate to getting into relationships and forgetting about themselves, or kind of like, yeah, forgetting about themselves. Shit, like, ain't no other way to put it back. Ain't no other way to put it. Like, and forget about, you know, things that they want to do, and like their goals. Things kind of get pushed back. I don't got time for pushing nothing else back, because one thing about it, Lyric can push some shit back sometimes and get sidetracked, because I'm such a giving person. I'm such a like person that just be there for other people, but I cannot forget to be there for myself. And sometimes goals can get pushed back, business ideas can get pushed back, and so many things. Like, I really feel like this is not the season for me to push anything back no more. This is not the season for me to procrastinate on anything. It's time to get to it. Like, get to you first. I don't care. Like, sometimes it's okay to say no. Like, and work on your shit. Like, work on your shit before you work on anybody else's shit. Don't push nobody else to get ahead and you're not even getting yourself ahead. Don't push nobody else to get ahead and you're not getting ahead yourself, or you're not getting where you want to be yourself. You know what I'm saying? So that's the only thing I would say. I'm just recognizing and acknowledging what I'm doing. And I want y'all to know that I will be posting on Dollface Diaries the beginning of November. So that's just on the list of have to do. Like, have to do. So I'll update you guys on that channel of where I've been and like how I've been feeling, and like why I kind of stopped uploading on that channel. I'll talk about it on that channel, so y'all will know when I do an upload, because I will post it. So I will talk to y'all about that too, because that needs to be talked about. I love y'all so very much. I feel like every time, ooh, I'm getting emotional. I feel like every time I talk about my journey, or like how far I've come, damn, I like every time, like I don't know, I get very emotional, because it's very like a touching subject, because I know how far I've come, and like it just amazes me like how I started YouTube, and like how everything has flown for me, like, you know. And I feel like I definitely created something. Like, this is what I created, and sometimes I have to really sit back and like really see what all I've accomplished, or what all I've done. And then it's just, you know, so to have just like a support group that I've literally called my baby dolls. I have support, and it's just not in one place in the world, it's like all over the world, you know what I mean? And that's just amazing to see that I have baby dolls that's everywhere, you know what I'm saying, that watches me, that supports me. Like, that's amazing to see. That's an amazing feeling to feel. I'm just grateful. And yeah, I just want to talk. I just feel like there's so much more that's coming my way. Like, I just have this feeling like there's it's something, I don't know what it is, but I just feel that for me, and I just wanted to talk and get out my feels, my emotions, or whatever you want to call it, child. But I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I just want to give y'all a little chit chat, and I hope you guys just understood where I was coming from. I love y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.